vibration. One drop rhythm a roll. Bassline deep beneath the morning breeze. Sometimes the road twists, sometimes the road get rough. But as long as your heart's still strong, the road's still open. One love. Morning sunrise over the mountain. Golden light shine on the fountain. Me open up my eyes and say, give thanks for another day. Cool breeze moving through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me lace up my shoes and step outside with hope and courage as me guide. Mama say life have many roads. Some carry blessing, some carry loads. Yeah. Don't be afraid when you don't know. Sometimes you learn by where you go. If I make a wrong turn someday, stop, breathe and find another way. One mistake don't end your story. Keep on walking toward your glory. Papa said keep your foundation. Build your dream through dedication. Don't compare your road to others. Everybody have them seasons. If you reach the place you seek, remember those who helped you speak. Stay humble when the good times come, and share the light with everyone. When the clouds cover the blue, we know the sun still shining true. When the rain begin to fall, we know the storm can't last the time. The road's still open, so me keep moving on. Even when the night get darker, me believe in not the dawn. The road's still open, there is somewhere we go. Step by step and mile by mile. Me let the good vibes flow. One love, one heart. Keep the positive vibration strong. The road's still open, so me keep moving on. Man, I mark it when the morning starts. See determination in every heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sun. Everybody working till the day done. Woman selling food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say you don't rush the journey, every season teach us something. River never asks the stone if it should continue flowing. It just finds another passage through the valley, through the landscape. When one doorway closed before you, look around and search another. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground. Waiting till the rain come round, sunshine warm the growing leaf. Rainfall bring the sigh relief. Nature teach with patiently, good things grow eventually. The road's still open, so me keep moving on. Even when the night get darker, me believe in not the dawn. The road's still open, there is somewhere we go. Step by step and mile by mile. Me let the good vibes flow. One love, one heart. Keep the positive vibration strong. The road's still open, so me keep moving on. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold her book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying one day I'ma climb it still. Every dream inside the minds reach beyond the mountain skies. Teachers say keep on learning, keep me in a fire burning. And knowledge give you wings to fly. Kindness keep your spirit high. Don't be frightened fi ask questions. Don't be afraid fi change direction. Every lesson that you gain can help you grow through sun and rain. Give you them room fi go, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care. Show them love fi everywhere. Future start with what we teach. Future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds. seeds inside the mind. Better days we surely find. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning mold guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing. Drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot to share, everybody gather there. Nobody asking who of more. Everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars that keep me company. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road we ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring new feeling. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, reset it. Life don't mix if it be perfect. Only keep your heart directed. If you lose, learn the lesson. If you wait, trust the process. If you don't know where to turn, give yourself some time to learn. Let the river keep on flowing, let the sunrise keep on glowing. Let the mountain stay grounded, let the drum beat keep on dancing. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave of tale for tale. Mountain teach me how to stand. Tree roots all the stubble land. Bird then teach me how to fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry up wherever. Through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop drum and roll. Bassline deep like the ocean. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. Stand firm, stay humble. Keep the heart connected, one love. Morning sunrise over the hill. Golden light make the valley still. Me open up my eyes and say, give thanks for another day. Cool breeze blowing through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful mind. Leave the troubles far behind. Mama said know where you come from. Never forget your roots, my son. When the road become uncertain, keep your heart and spirit open. If you stumble, don't stay down. Lift yourself and turn around. Every lesson from the past can help you make the future last. Hey, Papa said build your foundation. Walk the road with dedication. Don't be jealous of another. Respect sister, respect brother. If you rise above the crowds, and never too proud. A strong tree can touch the sky, cause its roots run deep and wide. Roots in the ground, branches in the sky. Keep your feet on solid earth, keep your dreams up high. Roots in the ground, heart up in the sky. Keep your spirit strong and steady, keep your dreams alive. Roots in the ground, no matter where you roam, carry love inside your heart, carry wisdom, oh. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration sound stand firm through every season. Keep your roots in the ground. Down the market when the day starts, see the people working from the heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sun. Everybody moving till the day done. Woman selling food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting by the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say, you don't rush the journey. Every season teach you something. Tree don't fear the heavy rain. Rain can make the branches stronger, wind can shake the leaves around. Still the roots will firm the ground. When the world become uncertain, stay connected to your purpose. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield. Every seed beneath the ground, waiting till naturally.
Roots in the ground,
Heart up in the sky. Keep your spirit strong and steady, keep your dreams alive.
roots in the ground.
No matter where you roam, carry love inside your heart, carry wisdom. Oh, one love, one heart. Let the positive vibration sound stand firm through every season. Keep your roots in the ground. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying, one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Yeah. Teacher said, keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give your wings to fly. Guidance keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you seek, remember those who help you speak. Use your talent to create, use your heart to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom, them should know. Teach respect and teach them care. Show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach. Future grow from what we reach. Strong foundation, open mind. Better days we surely find. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Never bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy. That is love, money, chance to fly. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars that keep me company. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring new feeling. Like the tree me stand strong, like the river we move along, like the mountain we stay grounded, like the sunrise keep advancing. If the wind blow, bend both bro. If the rain fall, let it flow. If the road get rough and long, keep the rhythm, sing the song. Roots deep, dreams high, heart strong, reach the sky. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave I've tale fi tell. Mountain teach me how fi stand. Tree root hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how fi fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. I suck my ducks, I suck. We carry up wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance. Cause we never know tomorrow, who might need encouragement. One smile can lift somebody. One kind word can make a difference. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop drum a roll, bassline deep and steady. Guitarist gang through the morning breeze. Life of sunshine, life of rain, but we keep the rhythm all the same. One love. Morning rise above the mountain, sunlight sparkle upon the fountain. Me open up my eyes and say, give thanks for another day. Cool breeze moving through the trees, bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with peaceful mind, leave yesterday behind. Mama say, no matter the weather, keep your heart strong all together. If the road get rough and narrow, say build with patience, walk the road with dedication. Don't compare your life to others. Everybody have them seasons. When you reach the place you see, remember those who helped you speak. Success mean more when you share, so keep room for love and care. When the clouds begin to gather, me keep walking through the weather. Rain can fall and wine can blow, still the good inside me grow. No matter the weather, me keep moving on. Through the rain and through the sunshine, me will carry on. No matter the weather, me keep the fire bright. When the road get dark around me, me still search for light. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. No matter the weather, me know me will grow. Down the market when the day start, hear the laughter from the heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. Everybody working to make life right. Woman, cooking food for family. Still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting by the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. And say you don't rush the journey. Every season teach you something. River bend around the stone, still it finds a path to flow. If one pathway close before you, don't believe that all is over. Look around and search again. Every road can bring a lesson. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground. Waiting till the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf. Rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach with patiently. Good things grow eventually. No matter the weather, me keep moving on. Through the rain and through the sunshine, me will carry on. No matter the weather, me keep the fire bright. When the road get dark around me, me still search for light. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. No matter the weather, me know me will grow. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying, one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give your wings to fly. Kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you see, remember those who helped you speak. Use your talent to create, use your heart to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care. Show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach. Future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds today and see what tomorrow come to be. Even fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing. Drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share. Everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more. Everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter. Memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy. That is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are keep me company. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring new feeling. If the rain come, let it fall. Soon the sunlight answer call. If the wind blow through the trees, still me find me in a peace. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If the road become uncertain, keep the courage in your heart. Every mountain have a summit, every river reach the sea. the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience, where every wave of day fi tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry up forever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If we meet somebody lonely, we will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help with the resistance. Cause we never know tomorrow. Who might need encouragement? One small smile can lift somebody.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop rhythm a roll. Bassline deep and steady. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. Even when the clouds come over, me know the light's still there. Keep the love alive, one love. Yeah. Morning sunrise over the hill. Golden light make the valley still. Me wake up and give thanks today. For another chance to find my way. Cool breeze dancing through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful heart, ready for another brand new start. Mama say keep the light within you. Let the goodness always guide you. When the world become confusing, don't forget the values you're choosing. Every flower need a rainfall. Every tree need time for growth time. So don't rush what needs some time. Let the journey find its rhyme. Papa say, walk with patience. Build your dream through dedication. Don't compare your road to others. Everybody have them seasons. Yeah. When your blessings start to grow, let the kindness always show. Keep your feet on solid ground. Let your love reach all around. Yeah. When the clouds cover the sky, me still see the sunlight high. When the rain begin to fall, me know sunshine come back all. Hey, the light in my heart keep shining every day. Even when the road get dark, me will find another way. Hey, the light in my heart, nobody can take it away. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, me will keep the faith. Boy, one love, one heart. Let the good vibration flow. The light in my heart, everywhere me go. Down the market when the morning starts, see the people working from the yard. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. Everybody trying to make life right. Yeah. Woman cooking food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say, youth, don't fear the journey. Every season teach you something. River never stop to flow. Cause the mountain block the road. It just bend around the corner, find another path tomorrow. When one doorway closed before you, search another door for you open. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground. Wait until the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf. Rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach we patiently. Good things grow eventually. The light in my heart keep shining every day. Even when the road get dark, me will find another way. The light in my heart, nobody can take it away. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, me will keep the faith. One love, one heart. Let the good vibration flow. The light in my heart, everywhere me go.
gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl, well I book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, say one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say, keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly, kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you see, remember those who help you speak. Use your talent to create, use your art to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds inside them mind, and better days we surely find. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome to the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, every burden's feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are sparkle way up high. We sit down and watch the tide, think about the road we ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring new feeling. Hey. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If the road become uncertain, keep the courage in your heart. Light can shine through every window, hope can grow from any shadow. When you feel the strength get low, take one breath and let it go. Like the river keep on flowing, like the sunrise keep on glowing, like the mountains stay grounded, like the drum beat keep advancing. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well. Me wake up and give thanks today, for another chance to find a way. Morning sunrise over the hill, golden light make the valley still. Me wake up and give thanks today, for another chance to find a way. Cool breeze dancing through the trees, bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful heart, ready for another brand new start. Mama say keep the light within you, let the goodness always guide you. When the world become confusing, don't forget the values you're choosing. Every flower need a rainfall, every tree need time for growth time. So don't rush what needs some time, let the journey find its right. Papa
Yeah man, roots reggae vibration, one drop rhythm a roll, bassline deep and steady, guitar a skank through the morning breeze. Life is a journey, so enjoy the ride. Keep love on the inside, let the good times flow. Morning sunrise over the hill, golden light make the whole world still. Me open up my eyes and say, give thanks for another day. Cool breeze blowing through the trees, bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful heart, ready for another brand new start. Mama say, don't waste your days, life have many different
it when the day begin. Hear the laughter and the talking. Fresh fruit shining in the sun. Everybody working till the day done. Woman selling food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting by the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say youth enjoy the journey, don't let tourists steal your beauty. Every sunrise have a story, every sunset holds some glory. If you stumble upon the way, learn the lesson from the day. Don't be afraid to start anew, tomorrow have a road for you. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield. Every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf, rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach we patiently, good things grow eventually. Let the good times flow, let the good vibes grow. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, let the whole world know. Let the good times flow, like the river to the sea. Keep the rhythm in your heart, keep your spirit free. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration show. Let the good times flow everywhere. Oh, everywhere you go. Children gathered by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book of pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying, one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say, keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly, kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place to seek, remember those who help you speak. Use your talent to create, use your art to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds and watch them rise, like the sunrise in the skies. Evening fall across the village, sunset blowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are sparkle way up high. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring you a feeling. If you're tired, take a moment, breathe and listen to the silence. If you're lost, give yourself time. Every road can have a sign. If you stumble, rise again. If you wait, be patient then. Like the river finding the sea, trust the journey naturally. Yeah. Keep your vision, keep your fire, keep reaching higher and higher. Don't let doubt become your chin, let experience bring you gain. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave of tear fit tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots holy stubborn land. Bird can teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry up wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance.
Keep the faith alive, yeah man. Roots reggae vibration, one drop drum and roll, bassline deep and steady.
Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. When the road get rough, keep moving. When the night get long, keep believing. Keep the faith alive. Oh, one love. Morning sunrise over the mountain. Golden light shine by the fountain. Me wake up and give thanks today. For another chance to find me way. Cool breeze dancing through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful heart, ready for another brand new start. Mama say keep the faith alive. That is how your dreams survive when the world don't understand you. Don't allow it change the value. Every flower needs some rainfall. Every tree needs time for grow tall. So don't rush, what needs some time. Let the journey find its rhyme. Papa say keep your foundation, build your future through dedication. Don't compare your road to others. Everybody have them seasons. Hey, if you rise and reach the top, don't forget the ones below. Share your wisdom, share your light. Keep your heart and purpose right. Oh, when the clouds cover the sun, me know brighter days will come. When the rain fall on the ground, new life sooner come around. Oh, keep the faith alive, keep the dream alive. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, keep the spirit high, keep the faith alive. Let the good vibes flow, step by step and day by day. Watch your purpose grow. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration flow. Keep the faith alive. Oh, everywhere you go. Down the market when the morning starts, determination in every heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. Everybody trying to make life right. Woman cooking food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say you don't fear the journey. Every season teaches something. River never stop fi flow, cause the mountains stand below. It will find another passage through the valley, through the landscape. When one pathway close before you search another road fi travel. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield. Every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf, rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach we patiently, good things grow eventually. Oh, keep the faith alive, keep the dream alive. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, keep the spirit high, keep the faith alive. Let the good vibes flow, step by step and day by day. Watch your purpose grow. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration flow. Keep the faith alive. Oh, everywhere you go. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly, kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you seek, remember those who help you speak. Use your talent to create, use your art to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds inside them mind, and better days we surely find. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy. for meaning. Every season bring new feeling. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If the road become uncertain, keep the courage in your heart. Don't let doubt become your master. Don't let worry move you faster. Take your time and understand. Life can change when you still stand. Like the river, keep on flowing. Like the sunrise, keep on glowing. Like the mountains, stay grounded. Like the drum beat, keep advancing. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave have tale fi tell. Mountain teach me how to stand. Tree roots solely stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry hope wherever. Through the sunshine, through bad weather. If you meet somebody lonely, we will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop drum a roll, bassline deep and warm. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. From the little street to the open sea, let the good spirit flow. One love. Morning sunshine on the corner, fresh breeze blowing through the banana. Me wake up and give thanks today, for another chance to find my way. Bird them singing from the tree, sweet melody come naturally. Me step outside with grateful heart, ready for another brand new start. Mama say, keep your heart joyful, keep your actions always truthful. When the road become confusing, don't allow your mind to lose it. Every sunrise bring new chances, every setback teach advances. If you stumble, take your time, then get up and start the climb. Papa say walk with patience, build a dream through dedication. Don't compare your road to others, everybody have them seasons. When your blessings start to grow, let the kindness always show. Never forget the people near who gave you strength throughout the years. Sunshine pon the corner, breeze up, carry song. Everybody got a journey, so keep moving on. So sunshine pon the corner, good vibes in the air. Carry love inside the heart, share it everywhere. Sunshine pon the corner, feel the rhythm flow. Step by step, and day by day. Watch your spirit grow. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration show. Sunshine pon the corner, everywhere you go. Down the market when the day start, see the people working from the heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. Everybody trying to make life right. Woman cooking food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say youth enjoy the journey, don't let her steal your beauty. River never fight the storm, still it finds a path to flow. When one road don't work before you, don't believe that life is over. Take another road tomorrow, walk with patience through the sorrow. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will heal. Every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf, rainfall bring this sigh relief. Nature teach we patiently, good things grow eventually. Sunshine pon the corner, good vibes in the air. Carry love inside your heart, share it everywhere. Sunshine pon the corner, feel the rhythm flow. Step by step, and day by day. Watch your spirit grow. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration show. Sunshine pon the corner, everywhere you go. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book with outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying, one day my climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher said, keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly. Kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you see, remember those who help you speak. Use your talent to create. Use your heart to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow. Give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care. Show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach. Future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds today and see what tomorrow comes to be. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet melody. Travel far, grandma clap and children dancing. Drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share. Everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more. Everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy. That is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are sparkle way up high. Me sit down and watch the tide. Think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright. Still me keep me spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning. Every season bring new feeling. If you're tired, take a moment. Breathe and listen to the silence. If you're lost, give yourself time. Every road can have a sign. If you stumble, rise again. If you wait, be patient then. Like the river finding the sea. Trust the journey naturally. Keep your vision, keep your fire. Keep reaching higher and higher. Don't let doubt become your chain. Let experience bring you gain. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well. Every wave I've tale for tell. Mountain teach me how to stand. Tree roots hold this stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly. Dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry up forever through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance.
Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. One drop drum a roll. Bass line deep and steady. Guitar a skank through the morning breeze. When the road get rough, don't stop. When the night get long, hold on. Carry the fire. One love. Hey. Morning sunrise over the hill. Golden light make the valley still. Me open up me eyes and say, give thanks for another day. Cool breeze moving through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful heart, ready for another brand new start. Hey. Mama say carry the fire. Keep your dreams and heart desire. When the road become uncertain, don't let door close the curtain. Hey. If you stumble upon the way, take the lesson from the day. Every challenge help you grow. Every river find a flow. Papa say walk with patience. Build your future through dedication. Don't compare your road to others. Everybody have them seasons. When you rise and reach the top, don't forget the ones below. Share your blessing when you can. Stay humble as a human. When the clouds begin to gather, me keep walking through the weather. Rain can fall and wine can blow. Still in a fire. day start. See the people working from the heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sun. Everybody moving till the day done. Woman cooking food for family, still she greet the people kindly. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Yeah, yeah. Him say, you don't rush the journey. Every season teach us something. Tree don't grow up overnight, still it reaches toward the light. River bend around the stone, still it finds a way to flow. When one pathway close before you, search another road for travel. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield every seed beneath the ground. Wait until the rain come round, sunshine warm the growing leaf. Rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach we patiently, good things grow eventually. Carry the fire, carry the light. Keep your heart full of hope, keep your vision bright. Carry the fire through the rain and storm. When the road become uncertain, keep your spirit warm. One love, one heart, let the good vibration flow. Carry the fire, everywhere you go. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying, one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say, keep on learning, keep the inner fire. Burden knowledge, give your wings to fly. Kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you seek, remember those who helped you speak. Use your talent for create, use your heart for elevate. Give the youth them room for grow, give the wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. Future start with what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds today and see what tomorrow come for be. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tune him old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars are keep me company. We sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright. Still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring you feeling. Yeah. Carry the fire when you're tired, carry the dream when you're uninspired. Carry the fire if the road gets steep and long. Find your strength and carry on. Like the river, keep on flowing. Like the sunrise, keep on glowing. Like the mountain, stay grounded. Like the drum beat, keep advancing. No matter how the wind may blow, no matter how the journey go, keep the goodness in your heart. Every ending make new start. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in our time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave of tell fit tell. Mountain teach me oh fi stand, tree roots only stubborn land. Bird them teach me oh fi fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry rope wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, me will share a word of kindness. If somebody need assistance, me will help without resistance. Cause we never know tomorrow who might need encouragement. One small smile can lift somebody, one kind word can make a difference. Yeah man, roots reggae vibration. Guitar a skank while the morning breeze blow. Life can bend the road, but we never lose the way. Keep the faith alive. One love. Oh, morning light come through the window. Sunshine tell me time to go. Me rise up and give thanks today. See another chance to find me way. Cool breeze dancing through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with peaceful mind. Leave the heavy thoughts behind. Mama say keep your faith alive. Through every season keep your drive. When the road don't look so clear, remember hope can conquer fear. If you stumble don't feel shame. Rise again and try the same. Every lesson help you grow, even when your journey's slow. Papa say build with patience. Keep your word and dedication. Don't compare your life to others. Everybody have them seasons. When success come through the door, stay humble like before. If you have a little extra, share it with somebody else. When the clouds cover the sun, we know brighter days will come. When the rain fall on the ground, new life soon a come around. Keep the faith alive, keep the fire burning. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, keep the spirit learning. Keep the faith alive, never stop believing. Every sunrise bring new chances. Every heartbeat keep on beating. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration flow. Keep the faith alive, wherever life may go. Down the market early morning, hear the vendors laughing, calling. Fresh food shining in the light. Everybody working to make life right. Woman cooking food for family. Still she smiles so naturally. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say you don't rush the journey. Every season teach us something. River never fight the stone, still it finds a path to flow. If one pathway closed before you, search another road to travel. Patience can reveal the way. Just keep moving day by day. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will yield. Every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf, rainfall bring the sigh relief. Nature teach we patiently, good things grow eventually. Keep the faith alive, keep the fire burning. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, keep the spirit learning. Keep the faith alive, never stop believing. Every sunrise bring new chances. Every heartbeat keep on beating. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration flow. Keep the faith alive. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl hold a book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give you wings to fly, kindness keep your spirit high. When you reach the place you see, remember those who help you speak. Use your talent to create, use your heart to elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. travel far. Grandma clap and children dancing. Drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share. Everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more. Everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter. Memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy. That is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea. Stars are keep me company. Me sit up down and watch the tide. Think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright. Still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning. Every season bring you feeling. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If the road become uncertain, keep the courage in your heart. Every mountain have a summit. Every river reach the sea. Every night must meet the morning. Every seed can grow eventually. Keep your vision, keep your fire. Keep reaching higher and higher. Don't let doubt become your chain. Let experience bring you gain.
Yeah, man. Roots reggae vibration. One drop drum and roll. Bassline deep and steady. Guitar scan through the morning breeze. From the mountain to the sea. Let the love light shine. One love. Morning sun come through the window. Golden light tell me if you go. Me rise up and give thanks today. For another chance to find me way. Cool breeze dancing through the trees. Bird them singing melodies. Me step outside with grateful heart. Ready for another brand new start. Mama say keep your heart glowing. Let compassion keep on growing. When the world become too cold, don't let kindness lose control. If you meet somebody lonely, give them hope and speak them kindly. One small gesture from the heart can help somebody make a start. Papa say build with patience, walk the road with dedication. Don't compare your life to others. Everybody have them seasons. If you rise and reach the top, don't forget the ones below. Share your blessing when you can. See humble as a human. When the clouds cover the sun, me know brighter days will come. When the rain fall on the ground, new life soon a come around. Oh, love light a shine, shining all the time. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, keep it goodness in your mind. Yeah, love light a shine, let it travel far. From the little village road to the brightest distant star. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration flow. Love light a shine everywhere you go. Down the market when the day start, everybody working from the heart. Fresh fruit shining in the sunlight. People trying to make life right. Woman cooking food for family, still she smiles so naturally. Old man sitting underneath the tree, sharing words of wisdom free. Him say, you don't rush the journey. Every season teach you something. Tree don't grow up overnight. Still it reaches toward the light. When the road become uncertain, keep the heart and mind wide open. Patience can reveal the way. Just keep moving day by day. Farmer working in a field, trusting that the earth will heal. Every seed beneath the ground, waiting till the rain come round. Sunshine warm the growing leaf, rainfall bring the soil relief. Nature teach we patiently, good things grow eventually. Love light a shine, shining all the time. Through the sunshine and the rainfall, keep the goodness in your mind. Oh, love light a shine, let it travel far. From the little village road to the brightest distant star. One love, one heart, let the positive vibration flow. Love light a shine everywhere you go. Children gather by the river, laughing while the water shimmer. Little girl, all a book with pride, dreaming about the world outside. Little boy look toward the hill, saying one day me climb it still. Every dream inside them eyes reach beyond the morning skies. Teacher say keep on learning, keep the inner fire burning. Knowledge give your wings to fly, kindness keep the spirit high. When you reach the place to see, remember those who help to speak. Use your talent to create, use your heart for elevate. Give the youth them room to grow, give them wisdom them should know. Teach respect and teach them care, show them love for everywhere. Future started what we teach, future grow from what we reach. Plant good seeds today and see what tomorrow come to be. Evening fall across the village, sunset glowing on the landscape. Grandpa tuning old guitar, sweet melody travel far. Grandma clap and children dance, drum beat keep the whole place moving. Neighbor bring a pot for share, everybody gather there. Nobody asking who have more, everybody welcome through the door. Simple food and honest laughter, memories we carry after. That is wealth you cannot buy, that is love money can't supply. When the people stand together, heavy burdens feel much lighter. Moonlight shining on the sea, stars that keep me company. Me sit down and watch the tide, think about the road me ride. Some days heavy, some days bright, still me keep my spirit right. Every chapter have a meaning, every season bring new feeling. Let the love light shine bright, let the heart become much lighter. If somebody lose them way, help them find a brighter day. If you stumble, rise again. If you're tired, rest your head. If your road become uncertain, keep the courage in your heart. Yeah, every mountain have a summit, every river reach the sea. Every night must meet the morning, every seed can grow eventually. Me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a tide. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave I tell for tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots all the stubborn land. Bird them teach me go for fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me walk along the shoreline, watch the waves move in a time. Ocean teach me patience well, every wave I tell for tell. Mountain teach me how to stand, tree roots hold the stubborn land. Bird them teach me how to fly, dreams can reach the open sky. So me carry go wherever, through the sunshine, through bad weather. If me meet somebody lonely, make the world become too cold. Me roll it, me work, me the world be cold. Mama say keep your heart glow, let compassion keep on growing. When the world become too cold, don't let kindness lose control. If you meet somebody lonely,